Alright, we're going to do another little cat. We're just doing some little random animals that are cute. Here's a little cat that's cute and this is out of, actually this is a little bit bigger, so this is out of 1 inch, you know, instead of 3/4. And we're going to do it, and then we're going to paint some of these figures before we go on any further. But I just drew the little pattern out and cut it out is all. Now on this one, we're going to, of course, the tail is real thin. Very thin. So on both sides we already start thinning the tail up. Okay, and then we come here and we separate the head from the body. Okay, now what we're going to do, we keep the head a little bit bigger this time, and we bring the body down, okay, in this little incident. And then we also divide our feet here and all that stuff. In other words, we'll do that in a minute. But we want to start kind of bringing the body down and not the head so much, because we want the head to kind of stick out. We'll bring the head down some, but we want it to stick out more. And I'll show you what I'm doing here. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Let's start bringing down if you look at the feet and stuff, they can come down quite a bit. If for some reason the video just goes off, I'm really having issues with my battery not charging correctly. So if it goes off, that's just happens. This is a simple, I love these little projects like this because they're simple for people to do, and you know, a lot of people say, well, if you only have simple projects, well, everybody knows I don't have simple projects. I've had much more difficult projects. But these are like little afternoon projects that you can just do and paint, and just really cute little things. And well, as you notice now, I'm bringing down the body more than I'm bringing down the face, because I want the head to kind of stick out real good. Kind of like, as you see, like that. Like I said, we'll bring it down. Now let's go ahead. No, let's not do the feet yet. Let's just go ahead and get the body down the way we want it. Then we'll do the feet. Now the tail, it really comes down thin. It does. So the head is going to be a lot bigger. We're really bringing a lot of this down. Now let's go ahead and separate our ears. The difficulty of a project, and I know a lot of people, but understand one thing, okay? I teach carving for fun. I teach carving so that people can enjoy carving. Like I said, 90% of us are not going to be professional carvers. So teach carving to have fun. And that's what I stress so much. You know, have fun with carving. Have fun with this stuff. That's what you want to do. Alright. Bring that tail down even more. The tail really comes down thin. So be careful when you get to the end of the tail not to be too rambunctious, as we might say. Okay. Let's go ahead and go in between the legs now a little bit. Okay. Let's do this. And let's come in between the legs right in here. There we go. There. And we're going to kind of just come in here, bring that up right in there. Here we go. And come in here and cut that up in there. Look at that, see? Let's do a little bit more. There we go. And now, on the face, what we want to do is we want to come down here. We want to come down here at the bottom. And we want to just sort of do this, okay? See what I'm saying? Do that like that, okay? And we want to do it again. And then we want to bring that face forward in the front, okay? Let's go ahead and make another little cut in here. So see how that face is? See how that is? Okay. Then we just kind of do this. Okay. All right, then we just sort of bring that face down. Now, these ears, we want them to go at a angle. So we'll bring those back. We come here, we kind of make the face. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to take this glove off. I apologize for that. I'm having trouble holding it. We're gonna come this way with the face. Boom, boom. You want to be real careful in this situation here, okay? Let's bring these. Okay. We want to be real careful how, see how we're doing that, in other words? Okay. And then we kind of bring that down and bring this kind of down a little bit. And bring this area down a little bit. Now, we want to come back here. We want to separate these ears. And then we just want to bring this forward just a little bit, okay? Kind of take that and bring that forward. Take that and bring that forward like that, in other words. Just like that. See? See what we're doing here? See? Do that. And basically, we come that to a sort of a point. We want to be real careful in here because of the simple fact that we're now these ears have to be pointed out. Okay. Let's make another little cut in here. Make another little cut in there. You want to make sure your knife is very sharp. Okay. See from the side. And what the doing is the painting is sort of a. And basically, that's what you have right there. It's more. Now you can come a little bit further, but then you don't want. There's the nose right there. So you basically have come far enough. But the cat has a big head, in other words, and it's just to emphasize the head. cut in there. Make a little cut in there. And basically, there's our little cat. You see? Oh, take a little bit of